Hey, what's up guys? Hope you guys are all doing good. We're gonna start this video right at a parts store. So we're at 4-Wheel Parts Temecula, and I'm actually picking up a very special part for my Jeep. Now, I know you guys probably noticed it in the video, something was missing on my Jeep. So finally I got this product and we're gonna go pick it up. So we're gonna start the video here and we're gonna go back to the shop and install this new part. I'm excited. It was pricey, but you know what? I finally made the buy, and it's finally gonna be installed on Jeep. So stay tuned, guys. It's gonna turn the Jeep completely around, and we'll see how it looks. All right, we're at 4-Wheel Parts Temecula. We start off with this nice Jeep right here. Pretty nice tire carrier back. Pretty cool. So let's head on in, see what we find. Nice suspension already. Pretty cool. All right, let's go in. Today I find myself chilling this beautiful Sunday, just chilling here in the shop, and we're finally gonna address the front end of the Jeep. So it's been a while, and finally I made the investment in upgrading the front of the Jeep. So as you guys can see, you guys saw the template already. We're gonna upgrade this bumper. As you guys see, this is the stock front bumper. I did chop out the ends just I didn't like it. Some of you guys might be like, what the heck did you do to the original bumper? Whatever, I didn't need it. And as you guys can see here, some ugly welds. Whoever did it for the purpose being, which I'll explain later down the line in a future video. But anyways, well, they use these tabs right here so they can tow the Jeep. So to the location that it was being taken to, that's where the Jeep was being taken to. So that's why they did these pretty bad welding. I mean, I would have probably done the same thing, but for you professional welders out there, if you guys saw this, you guys be like, what the heck is that? Anyways, let's check out what we got. It's probably one of the biggest purchases that I've done for my Jeep. Obviously, the lift kit was one of the biggest ones, my tires as well, but this is another one that's top of the line product right here. So hopefully whoever's seeing this video, whoever maker of this product, see this video, and maybe one day they sponsor me, but whatever, we're gonna install this and we're gonna see how the Jeep transforms. Okay, so if you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw the teaser of when I purchased this product. I asked you guys to guess what this could have been. And some of the images that I posted on Instagram was that I went to 4-Wheel Parts and I purchased this part right here. And I asked you guys to guess what this product could have been. So my good friend Victor was the only one that, gave an answer, which is fine. And he guessed the long arm kit. Fortunately, not yet. We haven't addressed the axles yet on my Jeep. But anyways, thank you, Victor, for at least giving an answer, right? And everyone else, thank you guys for liking the picture as well. So it's finally here. We're going to reveal what this is. You guys probably already know what it is based off the template, but here we go. We're going to address it, so let's open it. I kind of already opened it because I had to make sure it was the right product. So we're going to open it up and then show you guys what it is. So let's get to it. All right, guys, you guys ready? Let's open it. I'm excited to reveal this to you. I went with the top of the line bumper, one of the most recognized bumpers, Poison Spyder. So I've been becoming a fan of Poison Spyder, so that's the reason why I went this bumper. It took me a while to decide which one to get. So there's a lot of good ones. I also went with the Moto Built front bumper, but unfortunately I went with this one. So let's take it out. You guys ready? Here we go. Check it out, guys. It's kind of heavy lifting it up, but here we go. I'm gonna put it right here. We're gonna zoom in, take a closer look. You know how I like zooming in on the product so you guys can get really close up look. So let's check this out. Poison Spyder front bumper, built for the hammers. So I know I might have gone a little bit overkill, but whatever. We went for the top of the line. Let's check it out. So here it is, guys, the Poison Spyder front bumper built for the Hammers Rock Brawler bar. Here we go, front bumper for my Jeep YJ. What's cool about this bumper right here is that it's adaptable to the CJ, YJ, TJ, and LJ. So it's all compatible. And as you guys can see, it's bare steel, so I am have to powder coat it or either paint it. So I'm still haven't decided. I might just go with the powder coat and if it's cheaper. But if not, if it's overpriced, you know what, I might just spray paint it. I might just do it myself, because this is I could do this myself, so you know, whatever. I know better to do with powder coating, but you know, we'll see what I decide to do. Anyways, you guys can see a close-up view. Very nice. Like I said, I almost went with the Moto-Built front stinger. I was so close to get that one, but I went with this one, and I mean, I'm sure it's gonna be a good product. Like I said, built for the hammer, so it's like top of the line front bumper. Like I said, it's overkill, but whatever, you know, I went for this product. So I'm gonna leave the description down below if you guys want to check out this product. If you want to purchase it for your CJ, your YJ, your TJ, or LJ, it'll be down below, and you guys can check it out. As you guys can see, let me zoom it out to the side. The little Brawler bar is not that far out. The stinger probably would have reached out a little bit out more, but you know, this one's fine. It's got the location for the winch plate right here. You guys want to put the winch plate. And you know, it's pretty much bolt on. It's compatible, so it's just gonna be bolt on. So all we're gonna do right now is go to the front end of the Jeep again and remove the stock front bumper and the light bar that I have there and try to mock it up. Of course, we're not gonna put it permanently right now just because I don't have it powder coated yet. But from then on, once it's powder coated, throw it back on and then we'll be ready to go. Actually, bolt it on. Do that real quick. Fortunately, I'm not gonna have my tow hooks no more. I'll see if I can install that, but all right, so we got this out of the way as well, and it's gonna be adios for my light bar for the moment. All right, you guys remember this? A review of the creeper that I purchased? Well, let's put it to use now. Let's throw it there and let's go under. All right, real quick. Right. And then let's do the last one. Like that, we're good to go. So we're gonna remove this stock one and throw on the Poison Spyder front bumper. Okay, so we took out all the bolts, we tucked in the LED light bar underneath, just real quick. And now let's remove this original front bumper. It's a little stuck, but it'll come out. Little persuasion. There we go. That was exciting. All right, let's throw this one out and let's mock up the Poison Spyder front bumper. Guys, so one more upgrade for my Jeep YJ is Jefe. Finally got the front bumper. It's been on the list for quite some time, and finally it's here. Look at it. You guys can see it looks absolutely great. I like it. Like I said, it might look a little weird right now, not really matching because it's not powder coated and it looks weird. But anyway, we're gonna powder coat it and it's gonna basically just go right in and fit in perfectly. So we're 80% complete. All we need is that powder coating. So I'm happy. Finally, we got this front bumper and it looks great. So we're gonna do a final review once it's powder coated. But check it out, guys. Comment down below what do you guys think so far, and let's keep it moving. So it might take me a few days, but we're gonna get this powder coated and we're gonna get one final look at this front bumper. So check it out, guys. Guys, this is the exciting part, the installation. We're gonna see the complete transformation of a bumper onto this Jeep. So, like I said, this thing got powder coated and it looks absolutely great. So if you're local and you guys wanna know where I got it, comment down below and I could probably recommend this shop. So, as you guys can see, it looks excellent. So this is the exciting part. Let's get it installed and see how it looks completely transformed. Let's go. End for the front bumper, and sadly it's going to be the end for my LED light bar. I don't want to get rid of it. I already unbolted it. There you go. But anyways, I don't want to get rid of it, so I'm going to have to relocate it maybe on the new bumper, I'll have to relocate it somehow and attach it there. But for now, this is the setup that I did. I just put a metal bar right here and just installed it and drilled it, and it was in. But now we're gonna have to remove this, but I'll find another solution and I'll relocate. So here we go, permanently is going to be removed, the original front bumper. So let's take it out. There we go, it didn't want to come out, but we say bye to the original front bumper. Deuces. That's all I can say right now at this moment. This thing looks absolutely great. You guys can see it. Comment down below, what do you guys think about it so far? I mean, transformation completely from it being completely bare metal to now being powder coated black. It just complements the Jeep so great. I love it. I'm so happy I went with this choice, and I'm gonna explain a little bit later why I went with this bumper particularly. But anyways, it looks great. I don't know what to say. I'm out of words right now. I see you guys, I'm stuttering right now. I'm excited. This is a great bumper. I like it. So all we got left to do is to install these D-rings. I'm gonna install 2 red ones, and then of course put the washers between so it won't be rattling and just making a bunch of noise. So that's gonna be it for this installation. And man, it looks great. I'm just gonna let you guys look at it for a bit. It just looks great. Comment down below what you guys think. And it looks great. Alright, so this is pretty much done. This is pretty easy to set up. You guys already know. So we're just going to put the 2 washers in between. And man, it looks excellent. You guys can see I went with the Smittybilt D-rings. And it looks great. I have to play with it. But basically that's it. You guys can see. I'm going to do this real quick and then you guys can see it. Alright, so here we go. Why did I choose this Poison Spyder front Brawler bar from bumper? Well, for the following reasons. I wanted a bumper that wasn't going to stick out completely from the frame. So you guys can see it stops right here, right on the frame. So if I'm approaching a rock at a certain angle, you know, my tire is going to be the first to approach that rock. Now, obviously, you guys know this Jeep YJs come with these Shackle suspension and leaf spring. So this is one issue that might be a big issue when I'm rock crawling. But, you know, future video, we're going to address this and do a different upgrade, which you guys probably already know what it could be. But for now, you know, this is something that's great. You know, I have all this extra room if I ever approach a rock, and it won't be getting stuck on my front bumper on the corners. Some bumpers stick out. Now, no hating on anyone that has that type of bumper. I just chose this because it was what I prefer for my Jeep for that same reason. So I won't be facing that issue if I ever get stuck. Now, obviously, I can get stuck right here if there's a rock or it gets stuck on the shackles or on the leaf itself. It might be an issue. But for the bumper itself, I don't think it'll have an issue. Now, another big thing that sold me on this bumper, let's move this D-ring out of the way. So if I'm ever on a rock and my bumper gets caught, if my Jeep begins to slide, it won't get stuck. Why? Because look at, so where the D-ring gets attached, you guys can see it's pretty much leveled with the bumper itself. So if the rock is sliding, I'm just going to slide right off, all right? That won't be an issue. Now, sometimes these D-rings stick out a little bit more, or they're on the front end of the bumper. So that's going to be an issue. It's like pretty much getting stuck on a corner right here. the bumper's gonna get stuck. Now I know it's not a big issue for some of you guys, like whatever, right? But for me, I like that approach that Poison Spyder took. For that reason, that's why I chose this bumper as well. And more than anything, as well, a good amount of space for a winch. So I don't know which winch I'm gonna be installing. Maybe down the line. Right now, it's not a big concern at the moment, but I got all this extra space here for the winch, and of course my LED bar that was right here, that got taken out for the moment. I might have to attach it here somewhere, but for now it's off. But there you guys have it. That's one of the reasons why I went with this Poison Spyder. It's kind of pricey, like I know a lot of you guys might say, well, I would rather just get a cheap one. Well, you know, it's a big investment on my Jeep, so might as well put good stuff on it one time. So there you guys have it. It's built for the hammers, ready to go. I don't know if I'll ever go to the Built for the Hammers event. Maybe in the future, once I spend another 10 grand on this Jeep. But for now, you know, this is a great bumper. This is a good starting point. And there you guys have it. So what do you guys think? It looks completely great. The front bumper's installed. This Poison Spyder built for the hammers Brawler bar bumpers installed on my Jeep YJ. It looks excellent, right? I'm happy, you know, it looks excellent on my Jeep. A new upgrade that my Jeep really needed compared to that stock bumper. So this is the one I chose, and as you guys can see, it went from bare steel to powder coated. So I want to give a big shout out to Chrisman Coating out in Menifee. If you guys live around that area, look them up. You won't believe the great deal that he gave me on this bumper. Comment down below if you want to know how much I got quoted to get this front bumper powder coated, and I'll give you the price. But anyways, I wanted a special big thanks to my brother from the same mother. He actually came through. He helped me with this this bumper getting powder coated because, well, I was at work, so I couldn't go to this shop personally, work with these Chrisman Coating. So my brother did that himself. He went there and he took my front bumper. I trusted him. He dealt with them, and look at the results. They came out excellent. So the front bumper looks great. So brother, thank you so much. I appreciate it. You know, I got you on your Jeep. So there you guys have it. Another installation on my Jeep. It looks great. Comment down below what do you guys think about this front bumper, the new look that it has given to my Jeep YJ, right? Complete installation. So like I said, I'm starting to get more Poison Spyder products on this Jeep. I have one more big installation coming up. So as you guys all know, it's November. We're approaching the end of this year, but the videos aren't gonna end here. You know, I got so many more videos coming out. This is one big one, but I have another one. Like I said, I know I've been putting this one far out for a long time, but it's coming, all right? It's coming. We're gonna cool this Jeep a little bit more. So that's the clue right there. I'm sorry I haven't brought it up, but I'm coming up with new videos. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. So far, we got 48 subscribers, and thank you guys so much for, you know, subscribing and following my content. I hope you guys enjoy it. And more than anything, I just hope you guys learned something, and, you know, get wrenching on your Jeeps, on your cars, whatever it is, whatever projects you have, get going. You know, I know it's an investment. I spend a good amount on this bumper. You guys Google it. This Poison Spyder itself, it's pricey, but you know what? If you're enthusiasm with cars, go for it. So there you guys have it. Installation. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you on the next video, guys. Stay tuned, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Later.